Swipe up to unlock iPhone not working. So let's get started. If swipe up to unlock is not working on your iPhone, then try this solution. The best solution is restarting your iPhone. Simply press and release the volume down button and the power button together until you see the slide option available there. Now simply slide the power off or restart option available at the top and it will restart your device. All you have to do is wait for 15 to 10 seconds and you will get to see power button available at your phone. Simply long press on the power button for at least 10 seconds and your Apple logo will appear on your screen. Now wait for a while for your iPhone to restart and reach to the home screen. After it does, all you have to do is swipe up to unlock your iPhone and it might ask for your iPhone passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode first of all. If not, then all you have to do is swipe up with the Face ID. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and thank you so much for watching.